In this video, I will show you how to make your Signal notifications on. If there is any sort of problem with the notification settings, I will show you how to resolve that problem. So, Signal is basically an application which is used for chatting generally. By default, sometimes the notification settings of this application is off. To make it on, the very first thing that you have to do is open your Signal application. When you open your Signal application, you will see that in your upper left corner, there is the option for profile. You have to go to your profile. When your profile is open, you will see different options here. You will see that the second option or setting is about notifications. You have to go to your notification settings. When your notification settings is open, you will see that the notification bar here is off. You have to make it on. When you on your notification settings, you have to take care that the further option here are also on. You can also on your vibration mode. You can also change the tones of your notification here. When you go further down, you will see that the notification of calls are also off. You have to make it on too. When you make on your notification settings of calls, you can also change the ringtones of calls here. So that's how you can change your notification settings. Now you will receive all the calls and messages notifications about Signal application.